Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super exciting and important. Future-proof careers using AI. AI is growing fast, and people who learn the right skills now can land some of the most in-demand, high-paying jobs out there. And guess what? You don't even need to be a hardcore coder to get started, so grab a notebook. Let's explore the top 5 AI jobs you can start in 2025. Data scientists. Let's start with the big one, data scientist. Data scientists work with huge amounts of data, using AI to find patterns, make predictions, and solve business problems. Every company now needs data experts, from banks to hospitals to online stores. Skills needed: Python or R, statistics, tools like Excel, Power BI, or Tableau. You can even start with free courses on Coursera or YouTube. If you love numbers and solving real problems, this career is perfect for you. Machine learning engineering. Next up, machine learning engineer. These are the people who actually build and train AI models, like the brains behind smart assistants, chatbots, or even self-driving cars. Skills needed: Python, machine learning libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch, basic math and algorithms. This is more technical, but super powerful, and very high-paying. Once you learn the basics, you can build apps or even join AI startups. Prompt engineer. This is a brand new job in the AI world. Prompt engineering sounds fancy, right? But it's actually simple. You write smart questions or instructions for AI tools like ChatGPT to get the best answers. Great for writers, creators, people with strong logic or English skills. You don't need coding. Just creativity plus clear thinking. This role is growing fast, and companies are hiring. AI content creator. AI isn't just for tech, it's changing the world of content too. If you love making YouTube videos, reels, writing blogs, or doing design, AI can boost your creativity like magic. Tools used: ChatGPT for scripts, Canva AI for design, Runway ML for video editing, Leonardo AI for artwork. People are already making money using AI to create content, run pages, and even freelance. So if you're a creative soul, this one's for you. AI ethics and policy analyst. Last but super important, AI ethics analyst. As AI grows, we need people to make sure it's used fairly, safely, and without harming society. These experts set rules for how AI is used, check if it's biased or unfair, work in government, education, or big companies. If you care about people and fairness, this is a meaningful career option. So there you have it, 5 amazing careers powered by AI that you can start learning today. You don't have to be a tech genius. Just start step by step. Choose one field that matches your interest, and begin learning with free resources. Which of these jobs sounds most interesting to you? Let me know in the comments. Backhand index pointing down, and if you want more videos about AI careers, tools, and learning guides, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon bell.